Whakalofa to Macau, Mawhala. Here at Pack and Save, it's a Thursday before, it's a Thursday before Easter Friday, and this place is packed. It's like 8 o'clock at night. We're just creating some stuff for Niue because everybody knows Niue is expensive. Car park was busy, everyone's busy. My bro Christian's in Niue saying it's all good over there, and this is the good stuff. What's this beef eye fillet? $138. Scotch fillet, $248. $50 a kg. Busy as self checkout. Getting all our stuff ready for Niue. On the bus. Okay, record it, eh? Make it easier. This thing here. Whakalofa. We just arrived. We're in the Women's Council. How are you feeling so far, Sandy?
Oh, it's very hot. I'm just glad we made it. Everyone's here. Just a shame that Stephanie couldn't join us, but it's okay, Steph. We'll post heaps of photos for you. So we're just looking forward to catching up with family and just relaxing, enjoying, having fun. There's a couple of cultural days coming up, and we've got a reunion in a few days.
Under the hood, man. What do you got under there?
We've got some roast chicken.
Oh yeah.
And it's got kaluku leaves.
Oh,
really good. This is very much the same.
Damn.
Corned beef, onion, kaluku, a little bit of MSG.
Yeah.
I think. No, I'm just kidding. Obviously the baked taros, and I think this one is. I think this is the tahini. Let's just double check. It's feeling very oily. Oh no, this is corned beef as well.
Damn.
Nice. That's gonna be really good. Really
nice.
What's under this one? This might be a bit of the same. Oh yeah. Oh. Neck chops. Neck chops.
Oh. Oh my boy. Oh, this is Christmas.
Yeah.
Best part. What is here? What's the Christmas? What's the Easter egg in here?
It smells like
Waikaika.
yeah, waikaika.
Nice. Oh, check out that. Wow. Oh my.
Oh yeah. Lots of corned beef.
Nice. You like that? Oh. Nice the cover. Hey Gus.
Hey, Brian. Just come to help out the kids with their pig. Oh, it smells nice.
You want a piggy? Alright, what's up guys? Got the corned beef.
Are you all? And then you're gonna put on
The raw
TikTok
fish.
to YouTube.
Got the chicken. Waka. This is waka. Got the pig's brains and the pig cheek. And the alakalo. Thank you, Laumua family Niue. Trying the pig's brain. Never had this before, but it looks nice over here. But in New Zealand, it looks like a pig's brain. But here it looks like a delicacy, eh? Tastes like pig's brain. Yeah. Okay.
Ai ga fia ha ko e to o ai. To nge pa. To nge to nge o. Mo te sweet. O re ma mo. Hi fu pe ke hi fu ki mi pe. Ke to ro e to ha. Na maneira. Ko e lo hi. Ke tau li fusi. Ne no foi morto dai ko Niue. Mua tu ke mama fu fora lai a to ko Hakupu atua. Atua ko ya lo fi wa mea. Prosi ta tui. Ani moi. Peterin. Kai fu fora da mai ko to ke ko to ko. Tam to re to se no ora ko bakon ni manalo. Mama le fukate. Rồi ơi mời. Đây mình cũng vừa hiểu về tu để phi tu cũng bắt tu về một có về mà nói cái đi thì không đến đây là tu sử dụng cái vàng như vậy cái vàng. Đấy là tôi cũng phối lại.
Kalafat Makau. We're here at the first day of the Laumua reunion in Niue. Sign up, first day. Yep, Whiwhi lahi a mo tolo. Ke kamata e Laumua reunion. We'll show you what everyone's doing. Just setting up. We're just in the Tuasea Hall. Just waiting. Let's see what people are doing. There's the ducky duck. Yep, getting ready. Kalofatu.
Kalofatu ba John, maloloy pungpongi.
Whakaoe.
Ko motoro ai Tuasea, o mai e ke whakupina e o maianga ka hahi mangwhao ha Laumua, he ahu nei, tō osi, tō hifu moia ke tō hifu tau fisi ke whakapitu he manga ha Laumua, tō liliu mai moia, si o e tō whanau ke vau, mo e tour guide ko Troy, liliu mai kai rorofo whalu ke sia lili, sia kato mo e tō matofina Hakupu. Ai a pia whakaholoanga he aho matauka tō Easter hunt la eggs, treasure hunt he mongo whiapi. Ai a.
Oi. Everyone's just helping out. Mudi, everyone else.
A bit of a break with his voice, and so I'm going to start with the proceedings. So we always, first and foremost, whakawhaleia tū te patoro on this beautiful fine day, very hot day, but we're really lucky with the weather, right, since we got here. So, of course, first and foremost is that we will always thank our Heavenly Father, and so we'll start with our Yongi, and then straight after that with our hymn, Nitaki, and Nosi. And then we'll talk just really briefly about what our outline is for today. And we will have breakfast before we go down to visit Nana.
Hanea matol ko whakamaoki ai, mo i piwaki atu e tau nāwa mo i tau whakaheke ma atua to tono ki hao whakanoa mai ki a mautoro e ma whao. Laumua, ma mau e hala. I o mai ai a matua, hou e tulo e atua to tono. Ki hao to tono. Mo i veki mai e koe a mautoro me mai i ngala noa. Ke whakamina, mai whakamanatu, mai whakarautono ai e tupuna. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, Christian. Oh, Hayden.
Yeah, that's
Okay. We're gonna start with a prayer, kia. Okay, o mai ki nei, and we'll sing the hymn, Hatotoro Kia Taha. All right, we start with a hymn. Then I'll say the prayer for us. Kia taha taha. See, Nena, you know now, this is Laumua. You remember that lady, that the picture in the hall? This is her graveside, the husband. What Nena Leolofi saying, Punapa clear that piece of land there for her to be buried. But then on the day there, okay, so one of the women in the village said, no, bring Matua Laumua to be buried here close to her adopted mother. And that her adopted mother, she adopted Laumua. And also her husband is here. So that parent, that Whakauka, she was adopted, legally adopted by Whakauka, but they never changed her name Ngaliki. So she remains as a Ngaliki, but should have been Whakauka. And Laumua lives on Whakauka. This is Whakauka's land. Yeah, that's any question, Mawhanau? Any questions? Because Matua Leolofi is here. Just oasis.
This is mine. Hey!
Yeah, Ben. Hey.
Then you just put it in the bowl. Yeah, because it's easier. And it will grow better. Yeah. This is them. In 1997.
Makalofatu. We're on our farewell dinner for the Laumua family. Some people are leaving tomorrow. Christian, Uso, Petunia, James. So we're just having a barbie. Come and show you the food. Have a look. Just preparing the cheese. Got Kokela here. Got Subo on the barbie. Hey Subo, just finished work, straight to the barbie. Man. Yep. Doing that work. Got Auntie Patlin here, working hard all day. Still working. Shout out to the Leolofi and Patlin. Also Auntie Poa and family. There's a work day today for them, so they're flat out. Nice, overcast, tropical. Just chilling. Got Hayden, Auntie Heke, Uncle Warren, Auntie Petunia, Laumua, Gus. Good there. Any words, Gus?
Oh yes. Oh, this is the last day of our union. Having a barbecue, man. It's been fantastic week. And, heaps of swimming, eating. But today's the last day. A bit of drinking. Thank you.
Oh boy, hey, Dan. Thank you, Dan. But, Johnny, Mom, Hakupu.
Hello, Batu. Koe aho whakahi koe ha mautoro he kemui kua sea e whanau ne kemu. Mai ai ki whatau kai au loa si mawewe. O wharua pōnki a walanga. O ni wata mautoro e aho kua. A malaki ni ke milino e matangi ke hoko atu i a walanga. Aia, whakaue ka whirewe ia.
Hey, what's that? Hey, so, what everyone? We're here at the family dinner tonight. With some Kai, wish you all the stiff. Shout out to Steph, but love you, Steph. Get well soon, Steph. Love you. Yeah, so wish you all the best of life. Oh yeah, you win now.
Mr. Chief.
Ora whalai atu ki am tō rosi kua whakanona umai ki mahanai. Koe tau whanau a Laumua e. The grandchildren, me tau in-laws, everybody's here, ko mai. Ke whakamawehe ai, tau whenonga ne umai motu ko New Zealand, Australia, ko koe tau motu Fairford. Wa Australia, koe koe e koa moho te poki kiu, moho te umu, moho te taro, rongai te kokokora, ki ini te whanau me. Tō rongan whare ini kokokora ai longa kene, ai whakatau kene e tō tangata. O mai neki whia, kau whora taha, mea mamanaki ke liu ke tapaina ni o mai ai. O whiu whoki te he basi mo i pōki tau namu e tau tana hao te tau mohenga. Ke mo mohe, po ke tau se usi ke kai tau kai a whios. Aia, koe amanaki ni ke amata mo tō ngā hua mo i munuena mo mawhora. Si ma vehe, mo i munuena mo mawhora. Haua tō mahanai ke ingoa he matua, āta tō osi. Oe naia, tō.
Whakalawhai atu everyone. We are now Thursday night and we're having our final Laumua family reunion dinner. Just to celebrate the end of our family reunion. We're all here under the big marquee at Duasau, Hakupu. Everyone is here, all the aunties, uncles, and especially Auntie Lealofi. So thank you to all the mangawhaua of Hakupu, Auntie Pua, Crossley, Patlin and her husband and everyone who's helped to make this trip really amazing, and even all the ladies from the Hakupu Village Council. Whakaoi lahi mahaki.
Oilahi to the Laumua family for coming to Niue and spending some time here and doing the reunion here. Wish you all the best. Mununi po, koe nea, whaoilahi.